All right. What is up, YouTube? Here we are in the Spectators series. We're going to do a little drop in here. I'm going to genuinely play my life. And then I'm going to go to... and then we'll spectate whoever kills me until the completion of the match. And I'll make commentary over it. All right. I'm going to go over to that camp there. I didn't even look at the map. I probably should have had a little look. Winery looks pretty hot. I got one with me here. Where do you go? Poor bugger. Where do you go? Oh no, I want that, where's that Nikita? That's what I want. Um, okay, uh-oh. Where was that guy? I had to watch for this guy. I don't know where he went. Well, I want to kill this guy, but I can't find him. Where was that from? Oh, there he is. He's pushing in. Nice job, Snoop. Oh, nice job, Snoop. Nice job, Snoop. Yep. Nice job there, Snoop. Good push. There's more guys around here. Yeah, that Snoop's got to be coming here. Like, where is he? I don't understand why he hasn't pushed over yet. Um, well, I gotta push up on someone because I need to die to get this spectating series going here. That was the Snoop skin too. Come on, you gotta be able to get up there. Oh, nuts! I walked right into that one. It's Snoop. I need a gun, Snoop. Oh, it's Snoop again. Way to go, Snoop. Okay, now we're gonna spectate Snoop here. What was his name here? Tuba Michorozio. Hopefully we get to spec him. Yeah, we do. Good. So he's sweating here. He's grabbing some guns. He's got the NZ. The NZ's been buffed. You got a car coming up behind you. He's got a hit on his heartbeat, and he's chasing. Okay, good shots. The Serpentine blew it. That was a really late knife throw, but okay. Nice. That was a really nice flank. He's upstairs in the back corner behind you. No, he's on the move. Switch to your short range. Nice. Nice. Downed him. Switch to that short. No, okay, good job. Whoa. There's a guy walking in the door behind you. Yeah. Where did that guy go? Okay. Then you saw that guy down low, but you're in a gunfight still. Put some plates. You're not getting pushed yet. Put some plates. Someone just established a recon up top, too. Oh, boy. Oh, that guy missed every shot. Get him, Snoop. Get him. Oh, Snoop goes down to J Jets SMK1. Oh, that was tough. That was tough. Okay, so guys running. Looks like the mini Uzi. There's never been a better time for using old school guns in this game. Old school guns right now are awesome. They've buffed and nerfed everything else, so there's not really that savage of a meta. Oh, that gun is horrible, bro. You need a new one bad. The recoil on that was incredible. I was surprised you even got one bullet. Yeah, that ain't gonna help much, my guy. Oh, wow. I'm see again too, like because he got that kill, in his mind, he's fine, man. He needs a better gun. He needs to work on this build of guns so it has less recoil. Okay, well, he's looting up again. He doesn't really need anything, man. He's got $13,000. You should buy a UAV and you should get hunting. But here we are. That's why I only got 5 kills and he's only 1 away. 10 players left. Yeah, that was a great kill. So he's pretty good medium range. I'd say that longer range where he was back there and looking at where he's looking now, that was a lucky shot he got. He got like a third party lucky bullet and it killed the guy. Oh, see? That's tough, man. His kick is like fucking 3 inches into the air. Buy a UAV, bro, and a self and all kinds of shit. Oh, he's dead. Oh no. Yeah. Hit it. No, just hit it. That's all. You need a self revive. You need a stack of plates. Okay, we're down to the top 5 players. There's 4 left after this guy. Yeah, this gameplay slowed right down, and this guy's probably on controller playing on a console. And it just is what it is. You can't get in that window, bro. Okay, this game's gonna slow right down. We have 3 other players. Snoop with the comeback. Yeah. I bet you that Snoop guy's gonna win. Come on, give us Snoop back. Come on, where's Snoop? All right, we're back on Snoop. And Snoop, see how his gun does not kick into the air at all like the other guy? Uh-oh, where's he gonna be? Where he gonna be? You know where he is. He's downstairs. Oh no, Snoop gets taken out with the short range. Oh, that was that. That was the final confrontation. Good game, boys. Real good game.